Hey friends, Mike Sherry back with Sherry Dodge, and I've got a brand new 2021 Dodge Durango 7-passenger. I just got done test driving, and now I'm going to do a little review for you. So if you're shopping for one of these, hopefully it makes your buying experience a little bit better. I'm going to turn this camera around and we'll take a look at this Dodge Durango. All new 2021 Durango GT. Again, 7-passenger, has a brilliant black paint job on it. I love how it has the black inserts for the grille as well. Really has a really stealth type look to it. You have LED running lights here and headlights. 20-inch wheels wrapped in Bridgestone rubbers. Really for a nice ride. I was driving this vehicle down the road and I was like, man, Mike, what engine is in this? Because it was really peppy. And I was like, was it the Hemi? What is it? And sure enough, it has the 3.6 Pentastar engine in it. All-wheel drive, plenty of power on this vehicle. Kind of starting the back here, has the has the Liftgate assisted by gas struts, so easy open. Actually, it is power liftgate right here, power liftgate, so you can control that on your remote there. It does have a little nook down here for extra storage. It's quite deep. I'd say it's 10 inches deep. Being a 7-passenger, these seats here do fold down flat, as well as the center row. So if you do have cargo, you've got a lot of room to put it. And we'll go ahead and demonstrate that power liftgate. So that's great if you come out, you got a bunch of groceries in your hand, down it goes all by itself. It does have the rear park assist in it, so as you get up to something, as you're backing up, it's going to warn you if getting close to something, maybe a kid left the bicycle or something of that sort down right behind the vehicle. It's going to help you out there. It does come with the Dodge 3-year, 36,000-mile maximum care warranty, as well as the 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty on everything that spins the wheels. Has heated seats back here in the second row, as well as USB hookups, and also a normal 110-volt outlet. Now let me show you how easy it is to get into that third row. So third row, the best way to do it is to get in the passenger rear door here. And there's just, you flip this handle and the back will come down, and then you see red and you pull the red, and then we'll go ahead and flip this up to show you. But plenty of room. I'm 6 foot tall and you can get back there very easily. And to set the seat back up, it's just reverse. Nice, easy there. All right, we'll check out the driving compartment. I was super impressed driving this down the road. Again, all-wheel drive with the 3.6 Pentastar engine. Really performs well in this vehicle. Power mirrors, power windows, and power locks. Got some cubbies down here. And if you've got that big Yeti coffee thing that my wife likes, that fits in there well. Power 8-way power seats and power lumbar. Power seat on the other side as well. Nice wrapped leather seats. Leather wrapped steering wheel that's heated, and on a day when it's 29 degrees Fahrenheit, that's what it's registering there, that's nice to have. Also on the steering wheel, you have controls here that's going to control your center heads up, or your center display here. It tells you your fuel mileage, when you need to change your oil, that kind of stuff. What's beautiful about these cars is I drive one with this similar system, and just one day you'll get in and say, hey, time to change your oil. Hands-free phone connectivity here, so it's great driving down the road. You pair your phone once and it's just set up for the life of the vehicle until you delete it. Cruise control here, and then behind the steering wheel you have the shifter selector here. So if you're in the mountains and you need to go up and down in gears, you can do it right here at your fingertips. Minus and plus your gear. And then also behind the steering wheel you have volume control on this side and tuner control on the other side. So literally you don't have to go grabbing at the stereo to do much at all in this vehicle. The radio itself is an 8.4-inch touchscreen display. It does come with 6 months of Sirius satellite radio, which is really nice if you've ever had it. Also has AM and FM. And then of course there's connectivity for your phone through Bluetooth, through an aux port and USB ports. Dual climate controls here. You can climate the driver and passenger side independently of one another. Does have heated seats and heated steering wheel. Phone connectivity there. And then down here, if you want to do some of the heating and air conditioning controls with knobs and buttons, it has that as well. So you can do it up top and also down low. I like them just a quick button here for the steering wheel heat and that kind of thing there. It does have sport mode and economy mode. You can turn the traction control off, and you can turn the rear park sensor off as well. Down here is your hookups for your phone to charge and to connect to the radio. Has USB-C, that's the smaller hole, and the bigger hole is your normal USB plug-in and an aux port. Center shifter here works really nicely. You can go down here and manually go through the gears as well. Has a nice spot here for the key, which a lot of vehicles just don't seem to have that. A couple beverage holders. I got my thrown in one of them, and then a glove compartment down here, as well as over here. Nice leather stitching in this vehicle, really stylish. It has the hookups here, so you can program your garage remotes into this, so you don't need to carry them things on your rear view sun visor, and also has a sunglass holder there. I think the Dodge Durango doesn't get as much attention as it should. For a 7-passenger vehicle, this gets up to 25 miles a gallon on the highway. I think it's one a lot of people miss, and therefore I don't see a lot on the road, and I always like driving something that I don't see everyone else driving. So I think it's a sweet ride. It's powered by a proven powertrain system, backed by Dodge, and a great warranty with it. Financing is available. There's amazing incentives on these 2021 Dodge Durangos right now. I'm going to post some links below how to get in contact us to find out the current incentives. Also, if you'd like to get pre-approved on this before you come into the dealership, there's a link from that. You can do it right from your home. It's very secure. And if you are looking to upgrade and you have a trade and you're like, you know what, I need to get rid of this car, we are paying top dollar. Don't go through the hassle trying to sell it yourself. We'll give you what you need there for that. So thanks for watching, everyone. My name's Mike. If you find your way in the store, stop by and say hi. Take care.